Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the OKX application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the OKX application to open it up. And once it is opened, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your email address and your password to log in, and you will be taken to your home page. Now in order to change your language, you will simply need to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and this will take you into your menu page. Now from this page, tap on your profile name from the top section, and then you will be taken to your profile settings page. Now simply tap on the Preferences tab, and within this page, you will find the language option at the very first. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can select from various different languages that are available for this application. Go ahead and tap on any language that you want, and you will see that this language will immediately be applied to your application. You can always come back to this page and change your language to any language that you wish at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.